how to set an app as the default app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on apps. In the list of available apps, tap on app that you would like to change. And then we scroll down to the default section and then tap on the type of app it is. So this is a messaging app. So I will tap on messaging app. And here you can choose to set the app as the default app and then tap on the back key. And that's it. So that is one of the way how you can set an app as the default app. So here, let's say if I go down to the browser app, such as Samsung Internet. And here, this is a browser app. So I can tap on browser app and I can choose Chrome or Samsung Internet as the default app. And another way to do it is if you go to the top here. So go all the way to the top and you can choose default apps. And from the list of all the different apps type, you can choose an app as the default app. So for example, browser app, I can choose Chrome or Samsung Internet. And that's it. That is how you can set an app as the default app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.